Good afternoon, children. Today, let us discuss the question answers of the lesson A True Story of Sea Turtles. And the first question here is on page number 31. What unusual occurrence did the volunteers notice? So, listen to the answers very carefully because you will have to assume that I am dictating the answers and you are writing them down. Listening to me very attentively, carefully. Fine. So, the answer is. What unusual occurrence did the volunteers notice? So, the volunteers noticed, the answer is the volunteers noticed some shallow pits with white eggshells nearby the coasts. Full stop. Later, they learnt that they belonged to the sea turtles. Later, they learned that they belonged to the sea turtles or to sea turtles. Fine. Now the next question. Why were turtle eggs seen on the beach after it had been sealed to the public? What were the implications? Fine. So the answer is okay, so here's the answer to this question. The question was, why were turtle eggs seen on the beach after it had been sealed to the public? So why were the eggshells seen? The eggshells were seen. The eggshells were found on the beach only after the area was or had been only after the area had been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month because of the smuggling activities, because of the silver brick smuggling activities caught in that area. Because of the silver brick smuggling activities caught in that area. Full stop. Now the next question. Why have these turtles been protected in India? The answer is the turtles have been protected in India since they have become endangered species because of the ruthless practice of eating their eggs or killing them for eating purpose. You will just write down for eating purpose. For eating purpose. Fine. I repeat, why have these turtles been protected in India? These turtles have been protected in India since they have become endangered species because of the ruthless practice of eating their eggs or killing them for eating purpose. Full stop. Now the next question. Why were the people asked to look for the eggs or nest in the morning? The answer is the people were asked to look for the eggs or nests in the morning so that they follow the female sea turtles and find her or their nest and protect them. Fine. Now the next question. The elderly persons had seen the hatchlings for the first time. What does this indicate? This indicates that they either ate or sold the turtle eggs. But had never seen them hatching. Fine. This indicates that they either ate or sold the turtle eggs but had never seen them hatching. Now the next. Why was it necessary to undertake turtle protection on a large scale? The answer is, it was necessary to undertake turtle protection on a large scale because turtles perform an important function. They keep the sea clean. Thus, they occupy an important place in marine ecology. Fine. You will just cut this thus and full stop, and then you will write down this capital. Fine. And only till ecology. That's it. Now the next. Why were those who had stolen the eggs earlier involved in the work of protection? Give at least 2 reasons. Fine. So, what is the answer? So, the answer is because they had prior. Fine. Or you can begin the answer this way. Those who had stolen the eggs earlier were involved in the work of protection because they had prior knowledge of tracking the female turtles and finding their eggs. Full stop. Second reason would be they could protect the sea turtles and make income through tourism. Or you can just write down, they could earn through tourism if they protected the sea turtles. Fine. So this is the answer. Now the next question is, what do homestay families do? The homestay families provide shelter and food to the tourists. The last question, why was the project entrusted to the local people? The project was entrusted to the local people, or you can just write down this paragraph, Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra, and just don't write our organization. You just continue. Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra believed that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. If they are given the freedom to do that, the conservation projects become sustainable. Therefore, with this belief, the project was entrusted to the local people. Fine. So these were the question answers that we discussed of this lesson. Please complete the notebooks and show me the images of your notebook or of this lesson in the next 2 days. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.